Hello everyone, let's now move further with another hairdo. First I'm taking the sections of the hair from left and the right side, fixing them at the proper position using the rubber band. After that you just have to take and repeat these steps one by one and in a zigzag manner fix them at the proper position. Let's have a look for this type of the hairstyle. First you just have to tie up here not at the center but from the one end, then give them the internal twist as apparent on your screens. Then the leftover hair is to be taken and converted into the braid and fix it at the proper position. Decorate it with some fancy hairpins. This hairstyle is again very simple and very easy. You can definitely give it a try. First you just have to take the two strands from the different ends and in a crisscross manner just fix them at the proper position. This hairstyle might look quite complex but it's very simple actually. You can just pause the video and then follow each step in a sequential manner. Just roll it and fix a bobby pin over it. Now this one is another hairstyle. It's somewhat inspired from the French tails that we usually create. First you just have to make a French tail type of the look, but this one is not the classical French tail but a fishy tail. Let's move towards another hairstyle. First you just have to make a lower ponytail using this rubber band. I am just converting the leftover hair into the bun covering and then giving them the internal twist. This hairstyle is quite simple and it's very easy. It's a casual hair look. Let's have a look for this type of the hairstyle. This one is best suitable for the medium length hair. This looks so nice. Just pause the video if you will get confused at any particular step and you are done in just few seconds. This hairstyle is very simple, best suitable for the medium length hair. First you just have to make a high ponytail, then the ponytail is to be built into the classical braid and you can see how I have converted it into this beautiful bun. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned.